Perth Tower, velocity 1485, ready.
Velocity 1485, tackling. Velocity 1485 with full left line up, runway 21, and if it becomes available, would you be ready, medium?
AFM, ready for immediate, clear to line up 21, velocity 1480.
Please, Tug 81.
Tug 81.
Good day, Springbok 280 is on Charlie 94, stand 154.
Springbok 280, ground, good morning, good afternoon. Taxi by Charlie and Tango to the bay.
Charlie Tango to the bay, Springbok 280. Complete, tag 70.
Tag 70, thanks.
Hello, Qantas 34 gate 20, ready for start push.
Ground, good morning, push back and start approved.
Thanks, sorry, push and start is approved, Qantas 34. Penjet 358, Charlie for Penjet.
Penjet 358, Charlie, ground, g'day, taxi via Hotel Bravo 700 lane to Penjet.
Hotel 7 lane to Penjet, Penjet 358, Charlie.
Car 7 on Alpha 11, when available, request enter runway 21 to carry out the fault inspection.
Car 7 ground, hold short of runway 21, contact the tower.
Hold short of runway 21 and contact tower, car 7.
Ground, g'day, velocity 9212, bay 204.
Velocity 9212, ground, g'day, taxi to the bay.
Taxi bay, velocity 9212.
That's ground target A24 with a 737, requesting code clearance from bay 207 to bay 1490 Alpha.
Tug 84, ground, g'day, hold position, I've just got one inbound behind you.
Go with that, Tug 84.
Good morning, Tug 47, National Jets with an E190, request tail clearance to standoff 11 on Romeo 1.
Tug 47, ground, g'day, tow approved.
Tug 47, thank you.
Give way to the 737 inbound behind you, they're for bay 204, then tow approved, hold short of Charlie.
Give way to aircraft